In this episode, we are going to talk about number variables. As you know, we use numbers in our daily activities a lot. For example, in matches and games, we are dealing with numbers. When you want to buy something, you're dealing with number. Or how many day offs you had this month, again numbers. Or how many slices of meat you need to cook for a steak, you need number. When we use a calculator, it's not necessary to know its numerical type. I mean, it's not necessary to know that it's decimal, fraction, or etc. It's same in Python. Determining of numerical type is not important in Python. But there is an exception for floats. I'll explain it later. There are two types. We have floats and we have integers. Let's work practically. I go to command prompt, Python. Okay, now I want to do some mathematical operations, 5 plus 5, 10, or 2 minus 2, 0. 10 times 22, 220, and 8 divides by 2, 4.0. There are three main operations of mathematics. The 31st were somehow integer, but the last one was float. In Python, that's the difference between Python 2 and Python 3. In Python 2, the result was shown in integer, but in Python 3 we have float 2. The other point is that if I divide 10 by 0 or 0, we face zero division error. It says that you cannot divide a number by 0. Let's see some errors here, and let's work on the floats. 5.0 plus 2.5, 7.5, 1.2 plus 0.3, 1.5. The problem that we have in float is that 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. The biggest practice is to have a space between the characters. It's minus 0.3. Now let's see the result. What do you guess? Oh my god. That's really strange. Yes, that's a kind of bug. It's bigger than 0. It's not 0. You know, you can see here e as you know, it's exponent. And 17 means that there are 17 zeros between the point and this e. Now let's round this number and see the real value of that operation. Round, we use round function to round the numbers. And I paste it here. Oh, wow. Yeah, that was 0. That was 0. So it's really risky in financial transactions. It's highly important. Be careful about it. It can cause serious problems. Now, let's make a float to integer, int 5.2. Okay, I have 5, or int. It doesn't round the numbers. Even for 5.9, I don't have 6. That's 5 because I just want integer. That's now that is not round function. Good. Also int a. Let's see error. Wow. Yes. It says that a is not a number. A is somehow a letter. Also for float. Let's see 5.2. Yes, I have 5.2. Again, 5 plus 5 times 2. As you know, multiplication is in the first priority. It's the first case. Here I have 15. Here, if I want to change this case or priority, there's a trick. I can use parentheses. As you can see, 5 plus 5 now times 2. Now the result is 20. As you know, parentheses in the first case. Okay, age, for example, is 22. Let's write a variable. I want to increase the age plus equals 7. Now print it. Oh, yes, 29. Age plus 7. This is the somehow formula of that operation. Or age minus equal 7. Print. Yes, that's 22. Age equals age minus 7. That's the formula. We can do the same for divisions and multiplications too. That was easy, as you saw. Know the number variables in Python.